Now, no, we have to do that. Okay.
What do I do?
You hold it up
Yeah.
to the camera there. I think that's a good position.
Which camera?
This one here. I just want to make sure it's working.
Okay. Do I say action?
There we go. We say April Fool's 2006.
2006.
26.
Yeah.
Okay. April. Go on. April Fool's 2000. That's a pathetic clip. Do it again. April. There you go.
Oh, with my hand.
Yeah. April Fool's 2006. Okay. Action.
Okay. Am I getting out? No.
All right, now, Emily, we have got to practice.
You didn't say my name right.
Emily.
You said Amity.
Okay.
Sorry, let's go.
Okay, then, Emily, we know that after the 31st of March, and it's going to be for your driving test, we know that, okay, so we got to practice this because... Start again. Okay, now, Emily, we have got to practice now the new manoeuvre that's coming in after the 31st of March, because your driving test is after the 31st of March. It makes a good sense. It is, they brought it, it is the 7-point turn, and what you need to do, of course, is turn the car around in exactly 7 turns, and using forward and reverse gears. So we've been practicing it for a while. Show us how it's done then.
Okay. Right, let's do this.
So exactly 7 turns, isn't it?
And where do I start?
Okay, we're going to go forward to the right, aren't we?
Yes.
Yeah.
Do I show mine?
Yes, absolutely. You've got to. Remember, this is real control you're showing here. So nice and slowly. No, not too fast. Full lock, remember. That's it. Bring it around there. If you hit a curb, it's it. You're a goner.
Okay.
So bring it around a little bit more. A little bit more. Now spin it a little bit to the left.
Yeah.
Okay. A little bit. Get the wheels on straight. Okay. Yeah. That's 1 turn, isn't it? Now stop. Handbrake on. Oh, look, this is amazing. We've got an audience. I hope they're not in a rush. I hope they are, actually. Into neutral. Okay. Have a good look around. Into reverse, please. Into reverse.
Yeah.
Reverse it backwards.
Okay.
Don't worry about other cars. In fact, they've got to show you composure. Going backwards. This is 2.
Yeah.
Okay. Stop there. Good. Okay, handbrake on.
Yeah.
Into first gear. Just forward a little bit more. 3. That's it.
Yeah.
Stop there. Handbrake on. Into neutral each time.
Yeah.
Into. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight back.
Yeah.
4. Right, stop. Handbrake on. Into neutral. Into first gear. 4. Remember, you've got to do 7 turns, just a little bit more. You're not going, even if you can go round, you're not going round, remember?
Yeah.
4 then.
Okay.
4, 5. Okay. Okay. Have another go.
Okay.
Handbrake on.
Okay.
So backwards for 6. Okay. Handbrake, remember?
Oh, yeah. Okay, which way we go?
Straight back.
Yeah.
So this is the 5th time, so a bit more. Okay, that's it. Handbrake on.
Oh.
You could have gone a bit back further there. Okay, looks it. Handbrake off. Look around and drive on. Now, you have to show composure as well. The point of this, I'm going to thank that person. Thank you very much there for doing that. Now, what you have to do is, if you get flustered or get intimidated by other road users, you're not going to pass your test either. It's to show you composure when you're moving around, because a lot of mistakes happen, don't they, when people get a bit flustered and get intimidated by people. So it's almost like the peer pressure manoeuvre, this one. They've brought it in.
Yeah, it's not nice.
So did you feel intimidated by that?
Yeah.
Pensioner there?
Yeah. I did. Just a bit.
Okay, then we'll come in, we'll just pull up the left-hand side of the road. Okay. I think you should practice it one more time, don't you?
Me too.
Just a bit further up then.
Okay.
Maybe off this junction. There we go. Well done. It's as easy as that.
Yeah.
It's all about the composure.
Yes, it is. I think we can do that again. No.
We're going to need some careful editing there. Giggling away.
Bloody hell.
This might be a voiceover by the time we're done. We have got to practice now the new manoeuvre that's coming in after the 31st of March.
Yeah.
It is the 7-point turn, and what you need to do, of course, is turn the car around in exactly 7 turns.
Okay.
So take your time. This manoeuvre is all about timing and observations and composure as well. You've got to move it forward and backwards 7 times, exactly 7 times, so any road will fit around that. Looking around after each turn there, handbrake on, into neutral, look around, then back into first gear, handbrake off, move it forwards and do it 7 times. Look, you've got a car here waiting on the right hand side. You've got to show composure. If you start taking flustered, the examiner will be marking you down for that. So
now, you have to show composure as well. The point of this, I'm going to thank that person. Thank you very much there for doing that. Now, what you have to do is, if you get flustered or get intimidated by other road users, you're not going to pass your test either.
Yeah,
It's to show you composure when you're moving around, because a lot of mistakes happen, don't they, when people get a bit flustered and get intimidated by people. So it's almost like the peer pressure manoeuvre, this one. They've brought it in.
It is, yeah.
So did you feel intimidated by that?
Yeah.
Pensioner there?
Yeah. I did. Just a bit.
Okay then. Swap seats. Shall I do it? Shall I demonstrate it?
Yeah, I think that's a good
Okay,
idea.
leave the car running.
Okay. I don't know how you're going to edit that.
Right. Okay, now, Emily, I'm going to demonstrate this new manoeuvre that's coming in after the 31st of March, and I think it could be on a driving test, couldn't it? So this is an additional manoeuvre, not a replacement, it's an additional one. Okay, now, Emily, I'm going to demonstrate this new manoeuvre that's coming in after the 31st of March, and I think it could be on a driving test, couldn't it? Signal. So we turn it once, and you have to keep count as well, don't you?
Yeah.
Slowly, 1. Ooh, ooh. Hit that, you're in trouble.
Not good.
Handbrake on.
Uh-huh.
Reverse. Looking around.
Yeah.
Don't need a signal this time because I've got a reverser. So 2.
Mm-hmm.
3. Handbrake on. Neutral. Off.
Uh-huh.
The reverse. Do you get the idea?
I'm getting the idea, yeah.
4. 5. It's quite tricky.
It is, isn't it? Especially counting too.
How about this? There's nothing wrong with saying it out loud.
No.
So this back 6, 6, 6. And number 7, looking all around.
Oh. Well, hopefully it does well, because if not, then...
Oh, it will. We post at 8 o'clock on April Fool's Day.
Cut.
Thing is, nothing is... with that joke, no one's going to be going, oh my God, are they?
No.
Thank you very much for watching.
do remember, please like and subscribe and press notify.